my channel. This week I'm doing some Pokemon card openings. I have a couple Chilling Reign, and then I have a couple Evolving Skies that I'm going to be opening. I'm going to start with the Chilling Reign. I have 2 of those, and then the rest are the Evolving Skies. So, this is our first one. I have my scissors. Now, some of them I have a hard time knowing how to pronounce. If they're like some of the beginner ones, I do know a lot of those. So we'll see what we get. Okay, these are in here quite tight. Okay, that was really hard to get out. They have a little code card, and then I think you put 4 in the front. So my first card is Kirlia. My next one is Trainer Agatha. And then I have Trainer Fernie. And then I have a Heracross. And then I have a Sobble. Now I have an Inkray. And this one I don't know. It's a Squavit. Could be wrong. I have a Scorbunny. A Trainer Peony. I have a Scolipede. And an energy card. I believe my shiny was Trainer Pelony. So I don't know who he is, but alright, let's move on to the next pack. Maybe we'll get something good. Alright, another Chillin' Reign. Cutting off the top. Hopefully this one comes out easier. These are so hard to get open. Okay, so move that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first one is an energy. I got another Trainer Agatha, another Trainer Fernie, a Trainer Old Cemetery. I got a Guardian Slowpoke. I got a Coughing. It's cute. I got a Yamask. A Scorrut. It's cute. Got a Bonsweet. I got a Gallade. And then I got a shiny Gardevoir. So that's exciting. Oh, I believe I got 2 shinies. I didn't see this one. So I got this version. And then I got this one, which I think is the like evolve form. Yeah, Gallade. So I got 2 of those. That's cool. And now I will open my 3rd pack, which will be Evolving Skies. I have 3 of these. The Target I went to, you could only get 5 packs. So that is what I did. They didn't have any like the boxes, just like cards. And I decided to try these ones. They did have like the cutest characters on them, so yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I got an energy, a Trainer Xena Revolve, a Trainer Copycat, an SQ, a Chinchou, a Pelity, Dino, a Teddy Ursula. I love this one. A Phoebus. In Pokemon Go, I was able to evolve him all the way up. And then I got a type of shiny Woobat and an Appleton. I've never seen that one. All right, let's keep going. Let's see what we got. This is another Evolving Skies. Let's see. like our 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the energy. We have a Hippodon, a Tentacruel, trainer rubber gloves, a Glossopore, a Fetchling, a Scraggy, a Hippotas, a Tapole. I got a Hollow Psyduck, and then I got a Talonflame. I haven't heard of that one. That's exciting. And now we have our last packet. Another Evolving Skies. Alright, our last one. Let's see what we got. Hopefully something good. Taking this card out. 1, 2, 3, 4. The energy. A energy treasure energy. A trainer ribbon badge. This one's cute. Oh, a Flaffy. A Lit Leo. A Topad. Teddy Ursula. A Cryogonal. A Nickit. A trainer spirit mask. And I got a fully holographic Sylveon V. That is super cool. That was a really great way to end, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I've been doing this now for a little bit, collecting Pokemon cards and just getting into it and having fun. So hopefully no one's upset because I'm not like really like knowing about it. I'm just starting off like a little collection with my fiance, and we've been getting cards every so often and just seeing what we can get. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I will definitely link his channel below so you can check out some of his. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!